Our business is really in two areas. One is modular tanks and silos, bolted silos, and then the second one is chemical makedown systems, almost always to reduce acid in water that is created in industrial processes. And the two actually do work hand in glove. What differentiates us from everybody else is really we provide the design, the engineering, the project management, the whole package so that we can custom tailor a product to our clients' needs, thereby reducing their initial costs, their capital costs, but also making a more effective system so that their operating costs remain lower as well. And that gives us a tremendous competitive advantage. Our major growth opportunities are two. One is we've been growing because we're starting to see the scale of our projects increase dramatically. We have literally done thousands of projects in the $500,000 to $3 million range, but now where we've got to is we're starting to see projects in the $5 to $25 million range because of our success in the smaller ones. So scale of project is ramping up. And then the second one is, as I've alluded to, we're getting into new markets, and that broadening, that diversification of markets is really increasing. We've now achieved 20% year-over-year growth compounded for the last 4 years. We're in a whole lot of different industries: municipal, industrial, oil and gas, mining, so a broad spectrum of industries, but our main drivers in past have been oil and gas and mining, and now we're getting into these new territories. Our biggest challenge was trying to face, first of all, a declining mining market and then a declining oil and gas market. But as I said, we have really accomplished those changes and met those challenges by diversification and still managed the growth we have. The nice thing, in a way, I think from an investment point of view, is we're almost a call on those commodity markets, because when they come back, we're going to really see some significant growth there. But in the meantime, our diversification has really changed the fundamentals of the company. The TSXV listing is important to us because long-term, we're going to need capital as we grow. We're seeing that kind of growth. We need capital expenditures in our own company to be able to see that growth, and we're also looking at acquisitions. So this is a way to carry on our target, compound annual growth, 20% year after year. That's our target as a company. That will require capital.